I'm going to show you how to create an Amazon buy one get one free promotion in Amazon Seller Central. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and let's get started. So this is Amazon Seller Central. It's the promotion screen you get here by clicking on the menu icon, then selecting advertising promotions. You'll come to this screen. Under buy one get one, select create. Now, this is where things get confusing, so bear with me. I'm going to try to explain a little bit of how it works, but just understand that this tool was not really that well designed many years ago when Amazon launched this. They've simplified a few things, but it's still kind of confusing as the language and the setup here shows. So basically, the idea is the buyer purchases at least this quantity of items. It can be one item, like a classic buy one, get one free, or it can be more than that. So I'm going to say buy 5 and get one free. Purchase items, this is where you select the things that they have to buy. And it could be multiple ASINs in your collection, or it could be a single ASIN. If you haven't created, if you don't have anything specified, you have to go through the process of creating a new product selection. So basically, you click on this link, you'll come to this screen. You'll select ASIN list or SKU list, create product selection. You'll paste in the ASINs or SKUs, and then you'll give that collection a product selection a name, and then you can come back here, and then where it says purchase items, select one. You'll choose the name of that product selection. Now, here's the first confusing bit. Amazon already loads up all of these other product selections that are computer generated, and this is from old coupons that I've run or other promotions that I've run. Amazon applies some sort of database code to that, and that shows up here. It's really confusing because you don't know what these items are. So basically what you have to do, you have to either create a new product selection, or you have to browse, select another, and then find the product selection you've already created either recently or in the past. So in my case, the product selection I think is on screen number 5, and it's this one right here. Okay. So I gave this a human readable name a couple years ago, and actually it's 4 years ago when I created this product selection. So I'm going to select that one. It's a single ASIN and click OK. Okay, so buyer gets free items if they purchase 5 of this item. And you can see down here it says the same thing. Here's another confusing bit. Applies to purchase items or additional item. What this means is, this means that you'll get, if you choose purchase items, it means that it will be the same as this field up here. So if they buy 5 of the orange bar 30 pack, they'll get additional free of the same thing. If you select additional item, you're going to have to input a different SKU. So let's say that I wanted to have people buy 5 of these and then they'll get a completely different item that I sell. That's where I would choose additional item and enter the SKU there. So I'm going to just select purchase item. So it's going to be the same thing. Set your budget number of orders. Just make sure that you have enough inventory in stock. And for this particular item, which is FBA, I have hundreds of units in stock, and then I have thousands more waiting to be sent to the Amazon fulfillment center. So that's good. Buyer benefit applies to a quantity when purchases 5 items. This is, again, bad language, bad communications. It's not really clear what they're talking about. But what goes here is when people purchase 5 of these items, how many do they get free? In my case, it's going to be 1. So they'll purchase 5 items and then they'll get 1 free one. Okay, keep on going. Start date. So this is today's date. It's actually a little bit later on in the day, and end date. So one piece of advice I have about this, actually 2 pieces of advice. The first piece of advice is, make sure that your promotions that you're creating like this, they don't overlap with other promotions you have, which are typically around the holidays. So when I create the end date for this, I'm actually going to run it to the end of October. And the reason why is because starting up in November, I'm going to have other promotions going on. So I'll have Prime exclusive events, Black Friday, Cyber Monday. I'll have things like that going on, maybe other coupons. So I want to make sure that the decks are cleared. So this particular promotion is going to end basically on Halloween. The other thing to be careful of, and Amazon actually warns you about this, creating multiple promotions on the same product group may result in customers combining promotions for significant discounts. What this means is be careful of inadvertently stacking promotions for the same ASIN. So let's say this orange bar 30 pack freebie I'm giving away, what if in addition to this particular BOGO promotion, I also have a coupon running at the same time? And sometimes what's happened is people that don't know what they're doing, they create coupons and giveaways and these BOGO things going on at the same time. And basically smart customers are able to say, oh, wait a second, I can get 50% off and do a BOGO and get a BOGO benefit. So they jump right on that. And if they do that, you have to fulfill it. Amazon will make you fulfill it even if you're losing money on it. So just be very careful when you create an item, when you create a promotion like this, buy one, get one free promotion, make sure that there's nothing else running for that particular ASIN, okay? So I've done the start date, the end date, promotion title, and I'm just going to call this Family Group Sheet Giveaway 2023. Or maybe I'll just call it Fall 2023, okay? Claim code. I'm not going to be doing any sort of claim code. People can just get it. They'll see the promotion right on the page as shown in the show promotion on detail page. So that's checked off. Now I'm going to review it. So at least this quantity of items shows the item. You get a free item. And a buyer benefit applies to a quantity of 1 when you purchase 5. Okay, I'm good with that. Dates look good. Now check out display text. This is also confusing to people. Promotion applied. I think the language should be a lot clearer than that, but Amazon doesn't really give me many options on that. It will show purchase 5 or more qualifying items offered by the name of my company and get one of them for free. Okay, that's clear enough. And then there's additional terms and conditions here. So I'm going to submit that. And it says your promotion has been created. I hope this has been helpful to understanding Amazon buy one, get one free promotions or Amazon BOGO promotions on Amazon Seller Central. If it has, please give a like to this video and also follow me here on YouTube, or you can also go to my official website, leanmedia.org. Click on blog or video. I have tons more resources about using Amazon and things to be careful of and trends that are taking place in the marketplace. Thank you so much for watching.